Hi friends, welcome to my channel Coded. In this video, I am going to implement and show you sticky add to cart. So guys, if you see, whenever I scroll down, I am getting a sticky add to cart strip. It has the product image, then the product title, MRP and the offer price. It also shows the variant of the product. Then you can change the quantity and you also have the add to cart button. Once you click on this add to cart button, the product gets added to the cart and then you can check out. So guys, this helps in sale conversion. So whenever a customer scrolls down on the product page, he can still add the product to the cart by clicking on this add to cart button on the sticky add to cart strip. So in this video, we are going to learn how to implement this. So guys, if you are new on my channel, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also press the bell icon to get all notifications related to my new videos. So without wasting much time friends, let's start with this tutorial. Shopify by default doesn't have this sticky add to cart functionality on the theme. So hence, we need to integrate a third party app. Click on apps, then click on recommended apps. Now over here we need to scroll down and then we get Shopify App Store link. Click on it. Once you click on it, then Shopify App Store will open. After opening the App Store, in the search field, we need to type Eva Trust Badges, commerce sales pop up. So this is the app that we are looking for. Click on it. So guys, once you click on it, you are going to see the listing of this app. So if you see, currently it has 5 as the rating and there are 2075 reviews. So guys, this is one of the better app that you are going to get on the Shopify App Store for this functionality. Now, if you scroll down, then you can see the reviews of it. And guys, please note that it is a free app. In order to install this app, click on Add App. On this page, you are going to see all the information that this app is accessing on your Shopify store, like your contact information, then your store owner information, and other details. Also, you can see the what permissions this app is asking on your Shopify app store. Let's scroll on top and we need to click on install app button over here. This is going to install this app on a Shopify store and you can see the progress on the screen itself. So guys, as you can see that the app has got installed successfully and now it is getting configured. So after getting in configured, on the first page itself, it shows us how are you. It shows us a store name that is code it. So since my store name is coded, it shows the coded over here. Then you have the option over here at the left side. Under this option, we need to select sticky add to cart. And once you click on it, it is going to open the page of sticky add to cart settings. Then at the right side, you have the preview of the sticky add to cart. So this is how the sticky add to cart will look. It is going to show you the product image. Then it is going to show you the product name, MRP and the offer price, quantity and the add to cart button. Also, if the product has variant, then it will show variant also over here. Then at the left side, you have the how to display settings. Over here, currently if you see, it is desktop. Then we also have mobile. If we select this mobile also, then the widget will be enabled on the mobile also. If you unselect this, then it will be available only on desktop because desktop is selected. Similarly, if you don't want desktop and you want to show it on mobile only, then you can select mobile. So I'll go with both the option. Then you have position settings. So where you want to show it, that is on the top of the page or at the bottom of the page. So let's go with bottom of the page. Then we have what to show. We have the product image, product price and show quantity input. So you can see that at the right side over here, since these particular options are enabled, you can see the product image, product price and product quantity input over here. Then you have hide option variant on mobile. So whatever variants that you have, you can hide it on mobile. So for that you need to select this particular field. So we can enable this if you want on, if you want to hide variants on mobile. Then you have add to cart button text. So you can change this add to cart button text. So if you want, then you can change this. Then you have quantity text. So see how it is shown, QTY is shown. So you can change this particular text, like I can say quantity, full form. So you can change this. And you can see the preview at the right side. Then you have add to cart success response. So once you click on add to cart button, it is going to show you this message, the success response. So you can change this particular message also. So now if you see, since I have clicked add to cart, it shows me this particular message. So I can change this particular message. Change it as per your requirement. Then if you want to have a buy now button, then you can have buy now button on this strip. So once you click on this buy now button, then the customer will be redirected to the cart page. So if you see, sorry, on the checkout page. Then you have the style. So see, if you see, they have given the button in black color, then the button text in the white color. So we can change the styling over here. So first let's change the background color of the strip. So currently the background color of the strip is white. So let's change this background color of this particular strip. So I'll go with something greenish. Then we can change the product name color. So currently if you see, product name color is black. So let's keep it black only. We'll change this MRP. So currently if you see, it is in red. We can make it something orange. So if you see, the preview looks better. Or we can make it white. Now in the preview, if you see, the MRP is shown in the white color. Then you can change the price color and also the special price. That's what I have shown you. Then you have the button background color. If you see, currently it is black and it doesn't look good. So we can change this. So let's go with some different color like this one. So now if you see, it looks much better and eye compelling. So now you also have the button text color. So it is white currently and white looks much better on this background. Then you can change the button border number radius. So the button doesn't have any radius. So you can give a radius. So like I can give a radius of suppose 15. Then if you see now, the button has a roundness near the corner. So this is the radius. So now there is also another field called custom CSS. So if you are a developer, then only you can add some styling to it in the CSS form. So if you don't know web development, then I'll tell you not to touch this particular option. Then scroll on top and click on save. Also guys, if you see, the changes are saved. We need to enable this particular option also. And then once that is done, again we need to click on save. Now Let's open the website and see whether the sticky add to cart bar is coming on the product page or not. So now let's open the website. So guys, I have opened the product page on the website. So let me scroll down little bit. So once I scroll down, I can see the sticky add to cart, and if I scroll on top, then it gets disappeared. Similarly, if I scroll till bottom, it remains over there only. And you have the product image, you have the product title, MRP, which we had given in the white color. Also, we can see the color we had given for the background, little bit greenish, and we also have the offer price. Then you have the variants over here, and then you have the quantity input along with the add to cart button. Also, it has the styling that we had given. It has the radius. So guys, when I click on this, then it shows me a success message. So if you see now, the success message was shown and the product has been added to the cart. So after the product gets added to the cart, it is now redirected to the cart page, sorry, on the checkout page, because we had selected the button as buy now. So if we unselect the buy now button, then it will stay on the product page itself. So guys, I hope this was helpful to you in learning how to implement a sticky add to cart functionality on your Shopify website. To learn more functionality on Shopify, please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also, press the bell icon to get all notifications related to my new videos. Till then, signing off from this video. Thank you.